Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with the temp report for Daniel in Georgia on the new RCI 69 base. Daniel, I got it ready to go for you, bud. You ordered this with just a standard tune alignment. We did just that for you. Start with the RF power all the way down. 50-watt slug. About 1 watt all the way down, so you got full adjustability if you decide to run an amp. Right at 12 all the way up. I'll show you average power swing. Hello, and about 45 watts a bird. 100 watt slug in PEP. Hello, 100 watts. Now we're going to roll the RF power all the way down. So if you do run an amp, I'll show you. Hello. Still about 100 watts. Over your sideband. Hello, 1, 2. Hello, 1, 2. Audio. So about 30 watts all the way down. Roll it up. Hello. Audio. Around 80 all the way up. All right, Daniel. It's ready to come to Bulldog Country from your friend Truck at www.truckcbsales.com. Bump.